Example, you was a hoe. You was a hoe. Perfect example.
You a hoe.
Chill out, bro. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Javon, man, and I'm back with another video, man. Back with a banging video, man. First of all, man, before jumping this video, man, if you guys are new to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Please subscribe. Please comment on every video. Please watch the video right through, man. Please. It's about the time, man. I'm finna be going crazy in this video, man. I'm going to be calling my girlfriend the H word and the B word. And maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna say it in the same sentence, but I'm gonna say those two words in this video. I'm gonna call her those two words to see her reaction. Guys, please do not bash me in the comments. This is those entertainment purposes. I'm gonna be calling her those words just to see her reaction, just to see how she's gonna act. I know she's gonna act crazy, but babe, I love you. This is just entertainment purposes. For all the females out there, I'm sorry, but it's just an entertainment purposes. It's very disrespectful when someone call anybody those type of words, you know what I'm saying? So I really don't agree with anybody calling anybody those type of words. But so yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and jump this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, cause this finna be a banging video for real. So before I restart this video, guys, this coronavirus is going real crazy, man. It's like it's finna take over the world. So I'm asking everybody, stay safe, wash your hand, take a shower, all that, man. Just stay safe, man. I love y'all, man. I pray for all y'all, man. We are 2020 is just, I wish we could start over 2020, but hey, all we can do is move forward and let's hope for the best. So let's stay safe, love all your close friends and family, and yeah, let's go start this video, man. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm in the room right now. Shavon, no, I ain't gonna go over there. Shavon is still taking a shower. She been in there quite some time, so I know she coming out soon. So I was just thinking, how I'm gonna do it, you know? I probably start up an argument or something. It's a fake argument, you know? It's a fake argument. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but it's some fake argument. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up, and then I'm either gonna call her a shower because she's taking too goddamn long, or hopefully she come out because she's taking too goddamn long. You know what I mean? Y'all here to see some entertainment shit. Y'all ain't just here for me to waste that time. So let's go and start the video. Let's go. No. Babe. I'm trying to think of a way to start talking, but I don't know what I'm gonna say. Damn. Babe. Babe. Why ain't the shower so long? Why ain't the shower so long?
I was in this post. Facebook. So girl got bullied at school. The kids put something in her hair and all her hair fell out.
What?
The kids at school put something in her hair, and then when she went home, her mom was doing it and all her hair just came out.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's tough.
Just issues. So
you took a shower?
Yeah.
You was in there for a whole 30 minutes and shit.
Probably.
So what, our parents gonna call the school or something?
I don't know. True. I flipped the whole school over mine.
We can't go to West End no more.
What?
The movies.
Why?
Cause it's 8:30. It started at 9:15.
We got time.
Babe.
What?
It's 8:30. We start at 9:15. By the time we drive there, we gonna miss like a good 30 minutes of the movie.
How long it take to get to the movie? 30 minutes, right?
About that, yeah.
The movie don't start until 20 minutes after.
No.
Yes.
We're not gonna get there in 20 minutes after.
No, I'm saying, okay, if we get dressed now, it take like 5 minutes because it's nighttime. We're trying to look cute for nobody.
Cause you took forever in the shower. Why do you keep leaving food in here?
Babe, I was gonna eat it.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes.
So why you don't eat it? You keep leaving food in here. I don't want damn nights.
I gotta move it up. You're not gonna get nasty. It's closed.
So?
It's closed.
Alright, this shit, bro. Keep leaving food in there. So,
I don't always leave food in here.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Babe, you always, it's a water right there as we speak.
Because I be thirsty at night.
That water been since 2 days.
No, it has not.
That water been like 2 days, my guy.
Babe, no, it's not.
You always leave food in here. Every single time you got food over here.
No, I don't. Babe, literally, it's only water. So don't be trying to.
I'm just saying, bro.
Don't be trying to play me like
Are you
that.
gonna get ready or what? Are we still gonna go? It doesn't make sense for people to go because,
Babe, we already got the tickets. They're not gonna give us a refund.
babe, boy, you in the shower for like gone down 30 minutes.
Are you dressed?
I already took a shower, so I'm
But are you dressed?
gonna get dressed for you. I got pants right here.
What that mean? I got pants in there.
You stressing me out, bro.
You stressing me out.
You stressing me out. Babe, come on, alright, come on, let's get ready, come on. Come on. Come on!
I'm coming.
Bro, you always texting on your phone, goddamn!
Stop! No, I don't. You always be on
You
your
always be on your
phone.
phone.
You want to say who else be on their phone?
Who?
You.
You be on your phone more than me.
No, I don't.
You be on your phone more than me.
You be glued to that phone.
You be on your phone more than me though.
Babe, it's not gonna take me that long. I'm trying to do this post real quick.
Like you always on your damn phone, bro. Like come on.
No, I'm not.
I'm talking about your food. Why you always be so nice? You got food right here. You got water over there.
I'm not
It's
nasty.
30
Don't-
minutes in the shower to come out. And when you come out, you gonna straight to be like, I'm gonna be somewhere in the next 45 minutes.
Babe,
It don't make sense for people go nowhere, bro.
we already got
Just stay on your phone, bro. You're always on your phone. Like who you been texting all this single time on your phone?
I'm on Facebook.
Every single time you're on your phone? Like every single time you're on your phone?
I'll be on Instagram and Snapchat. And then sometimes I be texting my friends.
You bring your phone 24/7, bro.
Babe, no, I don't.
Every single time you're on your phone, bro.
No, I
I don't know why
don't.
you took towel out of the shower for. Come on, get up. You still laying on the bed?
Babe, I'm coming.
This damn phone.
Stop. Okay, I'm getting up. What you want me to do?
You want to go to the movies or what?
Yeah.
So come on in.
Okay.
No, come on.
Hey, I'm still posting that. It's gonna go away.
Alright.
It's a post.
Okay.
I just told you what it was
Alright, I'm
about.
gonna get ready because I'm hungry.
How you waiting for me? You're not even dressed yet.
Look, my nigga, all I gotta do is put my pants on.
My who? My who?
My guy, all I gotta put my pants on. Come on, bitch, stop trying to shit up, bro.
What you just call me?
What are you laughing for?
What you just call me?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What are you laughing for? My nigga.
Boy!
I said my nigga.
No, what you just call me for real?
I said my nigga.
That ain't what you just called
I said
me.
my nigga.
That ain't what you just called me.
I said my nigga.
That ain't what you just called me.
I said my
What you
nigga.
said after though?
I don't know what I said.
What you said after?
I said my nigga.
No, you didn't. Bro, you think I'm playing with you?
I said my nigga. I said my nigga. Can you open and get ready?
I'm about to get ready. What
So,
you call
why
me?
you coming up to me for?
Cause I'm trying to figure out what you said.
I ain't say nothing. I said my nigga. You clearly hear me I say my nigga.
No, I didn't. I heard you say something else.
What I said. If you hear me say something, it'll repeat what I said.
You said, cause you said it.
What I said.
You called me a
I
bitch.
ain't calling you a bitch, bitch.
You trying to get smacked in your face?
What you talking about?
You trying to get smacked in your face?
I'm not the one over here holding my phone.
Okay, but so they give you the reason to call
Every
me a
time you're on your
bitch.
phone, are you?
They give you a reason to call me a
are you-
bitch. They give you a reason to call me on my
Every
name.
time you're on your phone.
They give you a reason to call me on my name.
They ain't go on your phone down.
Do they give you a reason to call me on my name?
I ain't call you out your name, bro.
What you call
I
me?
said my nigga.
You said
Bitch, cause you said bitch.
no. I said
No, no,
because
no.
you called me bitch.
What
Don't
you
touch
asking
me.
for?
No, because you just called me on my name.
I
That's
didn't call you a bitch
disrespectful.
because I
Don't
called you.
disrespect
I called
me
you
like
bitch
that.
'cause you called me bitch.
No, I did not call you bitch.
Can you get up and get ready so we go?
No, I'm not getting ready for nothing.
Why?
Because you just called me on my name.
Alright, so can you get a refund or something?
What?
Can you actually do something on your phone rather than take some?
I do be doing stuff on my phone.
What, being a hoe?
Who you? calling the hoe. Bro, I swear, you about to make me lose my religion. I promise you.
I mean, you always on your phone, so you might as well be a hoe. Shut up, bro. What you doing?
You about to see. Hold on.
What you doing?
Hold on. You just hold on. You just hold on one goddamn minute. You just hold on.
What you doing?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
You going after the woods?
No, I'm about to whoop your because you got me all the way up today. Who you calling the hoe?
Bro,
Who you calling the hoe? Who you calling the hoe?
Back up, bro.
Who you calling the hoe?
I ain't calling you a hoe, bro. I ain't calling you a hoe, bro.
You called me a hoe and then you called me a bitch.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
I
did.
call you bitch because you said it real good.
You called me a bitch.
So I had to say for you to listen.
No.
So you clear, bro.
No, I don't care. No, don't touch me.
You clear
Don't
your
touch me.
listening.
Don't touch me.
You clear your listen.
No, whatever.
Hey, move, bro. Back up, bro. Like, why you take those?
Because I'm leaving.
Where you going?
You never about to disrespect
Where
me. Don't touch me.
Shut up, bro.
Don't touch me.
Where you gonna go?
I'm going home. Take me home.
We ain't got no bra on, by the way.
You cut me. Take me
We ain't got
home.
no bra on, by the way.
Cause I don't need no
Perfect
bra to
example.
whip
You
your
was a hoe.
ass.
You was a whole perfect
You a-
example.
You a hoe.
Shut up, bro.
Stop calling me. I'm not playing with you.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Stop showing shit. Shut up, bro.
Move. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Can you
Don't
put
touch
some-
me.
can you put some bra-
Don't touch
can you
me.
put some bra
Don't touch
on the
me.
street?
No.
Shit, you ain't going over there. Shut up, man. You ain't going over there.
Assault.
Assault, what do you mean assault?
I'll call the police on you. Keep
Hold
playing
assault.
with me.
Hold assault.
Cause
You
think
want
I'm
to,
playing with you.
shut up, we're getting going over, bro. No, nigga, you ain't going over, nigga.
Get,
Where you gonna go? Where you gonna
let
go?
my stuff go.
Where you gonna go?
Let my stuff
I
go.
wish you would hit me with that shit.
Let my stuff go. I'm not playing.
Shut up, bro.
Come here another
Move,
one.
bro.
I'm not playing with you.
Move, bro. Move, bro. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere.
Watch me.
You ain't going nowhere. Put your shit down.
Move. I'm not playing with you. Stop. Cause you're not gonna call me on my name. Stupid. Don't touch me.
You ain't going nowhere.
Don't touch
You ain't
me.
gonna leave.
Move.
You wanna go on the street?
Don't
You
touch
think you should be the number one hoe, huh? Huh?
Keep calling me a hoe, girl.
Huh? Cause you are
Keep-
one.
Keep.
Cause
Jesus Christ.
Stupid. Don't touch me. You cut my
I
finger.
don't care. I don't care. You ain't going to the house like put a bra on or something. Put a bra on or something.
You put a bra on. Put a bra
My
on.
shit ain't sounding like yours.
I don't care.
What you mean, nigga?
Don't touch me.
You hoe.
You a
All you
hoe.
want is to be a hoe out here.
You.
That's all you is. Always
Shut
on
up.
your freaking phone. That's all you is.
Okay, I'm about to be on my phone right now.
Why? Why?
Don't worry about
You ain't getting
it.
nothing.
No, you want me to be on my phone earlier, so let
No,
me be
you
on my
always on your
phone.
phone. I can't go on your phone, man.
All right.
Go be who you always be. A bitch. Go be a bitch on your phone. That's it.
Hey Siri.
Good evening.
What you doing?
Call Granny.
I don't know who your grandmother is.
Yeah, shit, bro. You got my see on my side, nigga. Give me your phone, nigga.
Move.
In Siri
Give me your
settings,
phone, nigga.
tap on my info and then
Yeah.
choose.
See on my side, nigga. See on my side, nigga. See on my side, nigga. You was that phone. I was on the goddamn phone as soon as time. Sorry, that's why I was late for shit. Bro, give me my phone, bro.
Move.
Give me my phone, bro. Give me my phone, bro.
Stop. Don't touch me. Move. Let my leg go. Let me go. I'm done with you.
Chill.
I'm done with you. Move.
Chill.
I'm coming home.
No, chill.
I'm about to go. Don't hang up.
No,
You hung up on Mama?
she answered the phone.
So? You hung up on her. Let
She
me
answered the
go.
phone. Chill. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Chill, bro. It's a prank. Look at the camera over here. It's a prank. Chill.
Oh, Mama called me back.
It's a prank. Chill.
Why you always play like that? You freaking cut me.
I did, was it?
Yes.
Cause I'm a hard cutter, man. For real. It was a prank. That's cause you acted wild.
How you want me to act? You call me a hoe.
It's a prank. You should know I'm not gonna disrespect you like that. For it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, my whole hand's cut. I'm sorry. I don't know how you cut your hand. I ain't cut your hand. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Oh shit, I thought it was about it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. You think I got that good, man? Nah, for real though, man. I would never disrespect you. Like, I would never disrespect no female like that. You should. I thought you would know it was a prank. Cause you know I never called you that word before. That's why I was like, if you're bike, I'm like, she know I never called that word before. And then if I do call her, what would she do?
Knock you out. I will knock your ass
Man,
out.
she hit the crap up my hand though. But yeah, man, if you guys in this video, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. We gonna get her cleaned up because I don't know how her hand was cut. But yeah, man, y'all go ahead and see that subscribe, man. I'm going to end the video right now, man. And saying, comment Team Joe in the comment section, everything I got good. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Whoosh.